Hey guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to reset your Xbox password. I'll be doing this today, and you can do this on either a PC or a laptop. And if you find this helpful, please drop a like and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, we need to open up our internet browser, and then we want to come across to xbox.com, and the first thing you need to do is sign into your account. So if you if you go to sign in, so if you click on the button here where it says sign into your account, and this is going to take you through to the sign in screen. So just a quick note, it's coming up with a Microsoft sign in because you'll sign in, so your actual email address and password that you use for things like Hotmail and Outlook is also what is used for your Xbox account. So what you need to do, if you forgot your password, you just need to enter the corresponding email. And then hit enter or click the next button. And then from here, because you forgot the password, what you need to do is, if you look down here, there's forgotten your password in blue lettering, and you just need to go ahead and give that a click. So what's going to happen, first of all, they're going to text the phone number they have for you on record. Now, if you've changed your phone number since then, or you don't have access to that number anymore, what you need to do is click this one here underneath which says I don't have any of these. And then what's going to happen, it's going to go through a recovery process. And the first thing it's going to ask you is for the email address for the account you're trying to recover. So you just need to pop that in there. And then what you need to do is enter an alternative email address where they can contact you in regards to recovering your account. If you don't have one, then what you can do is click this link underneath here to create a new one. And this is just to send the recovery information through to. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop that in there. And then what you need to do is enter this verification down here. This code here to verify. So you can see what's going to happen. It's come up with a message now saying we've just sent a code to my recovery email address that I've just put in. So what I'm going to do is just hop in there and grab that code. So I'm just going to enter this code into here and click verify. So what it's going to do now to try and recover your account and get you back in, if you've forgotten your password, it's just going to go through and basically ask you a couple of questions. So you just need to enter all the information it requests into the boxes here. And then what they're going to say is your information has been submitted. We'll send an email to Digital Tutor, blah, 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 to let you know if you've provided enough information to recover your account. Usually takes us about 24 hours to review the information submitted. So what's going to happen, they're now going to go through all that information I've sent through. And if it's enough and they've got everything they need, they'll send me an email saying, great, brilliant, let's get you back into your account. And they're going to send that email to the recovery email that I entered at the start of the process. Sometimes they might need a bit more information. They're normally quite fast with their turnaround times. I know it says takes about 24 hours, but I know when I've done this in the past, normally within a few hours, they've got back to me via email. And, 9 times out of 10, they've just what happens is you'll receive an email with a link that you can click, and it will just take you through, and you can change your password straight away. So that's the process if you've forgotten your password and you don't no longer have the phone number. And if that did help, please drop a like and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description below where you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.